Edwards here. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to print our tracksuit, a hoodie and a jogger. And the hoodie that we are going to print is the one that I'm wearing now. I'll take you through the process, how I designed it in Canva. I remember the last time I did t-shirt printing, I had already created designed the design that we used in Canva. So today I'm taking you through the whole process, step by step, how to design your design in Canva. After that, remove the background and then you upload it in your Cricut design space and then we can print it. So without wasting much of our time, let's get into it. I had already saved Canva on my profile, so I'll go straight to Canva. If you do not have Canva, you can sign up for it, and then we are going to create a design. And what we want to create is a t-shirt design, so I'll just type t-shirt and then it will come on top here. So the name that I want to print on my tracksuit, I'll print both on my hood and on my track pant. So I want to print rebranded. So guys, this is my birthday month, and every June I rebrand. I let go of certain things. Caps rebranded. This will rebrand it, and then I have to customize it how I want it to look on my tracksuit. So now what we have to do, we'll go play with the fonts, and the fonts that I would like is this one, Blanca. Yeah, it's this one. How cool is this? So this is the design that I would like to print on my tracksuit. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to save it and download. I'll download here and I'll download it as JPG. After downloading, you need to take out the background so that we can upload in our Cricut design space. So I have to do that now. So for us to do that, to remove the background, we have to use remove background. I didn't save this one. Remove background. Let's choose a photo that we have to remove, and this is the rebranded one. As you can see, it's loading, and here the background has been removed, and then we download it. After it's been downloaded, then we can close here, we're done, and we close here, we're done as well, and we close here, we're done. And then now we have to go to our Cricut design space. Yeah, so now we are going to go to new project, and we are going to upload image, browse. We are going to go back to where we saved our picture, our image, the one that we downloaded. Okay, on our downloads, this is the image that we are using. You go to complex, continue, apply, and cut image, upload. So this is the image that we would like to use, the design that we created in Canva. Add to canvas. Now we can adjust it to the way we want it to be, how big we want it. So I want mine to be 29 is fine. Yeah, so it will be 29 by 4. I'm cool with it. I don't have any problem with it. So next we are going to go to make it. Once we are here on make it, remember, if we are using printing vinyl, you have to mirror your design. So we are going to mirror it. After we have mirrored it, we press continue, and then we connect to our Cricut machine so that it should cut. I will use a black vinyl, so I will lay my black vinyl on the mat. But remember, the shiny part, this shiny part has to come down. We have to press it down there so that this one, this side, is on top. So let's put it down. The mat has to be sticky. So I'll lay down my vinyl so that we can begin our cutting. Make sure there are no bubbles. Make sure there are no bubbles when you lay down your vinyl. And then I have to take it to my Cricut machine. This is my Cricut machine. Now I have to put my mat so that it should cut. Now let's weed our designs. Okay, so this is also done. As you can see now, we have two for the hoodie. We have two for the hoodie, and we have for the track pant. So now let's go to our heat press so that we can do our printing. Okay guys, this is our heat press. We have already preheated it. So now we have to print our hoodie and our jogger. Firstly, we have to preheat it where we are going to print. We have to preheat the area we are going to print for just 2 seconds. Nyana. I think it's fine. Okay, now we just pressed our design. Now we have to print it, and I'll put this leaflet here. And then we have to set it to 10 seconds. 10 seconds, guys. And again. We take it out. It's a hot peel, so make sure you take it out. We have our design printed, and then I have to take the jogger. We have to print it again. This is the jogger I want it printed just underneath the pocket. So we are going to preheat it. Okay. That's right. Just for 2 seconds. And then we take it out. And this is the design that we are printing. It has to be 2 or 3 fingers away from the seam line. So I'll make it 3. Okay, here we are. So now we have to do our printing. For 10 seconds. And then we just press it again for just 3 seconds. We are not going to set timer for this. Just count 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So yeah, our printing is done. Let me wear it so that you can see it. Thank you guys for watching the process. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more content. See how beautiful your girl is looking. Like, you can also do this at home. Yes. Stay safe. Bye.